Today at CRKT, we are taking a look at the Leon Ma designed Eat'N tool. This is one of our very most popular products of all time, and with good reason. Basically, it is a glorified spork, a spork on steroids, if you will. You've got your spoon there, as well as your fork tines right there. You got a bottle opener that works very nicely. Right here we have a cutout for your hand so you can grip it nicely. And the thing about that is it's going to cut down on the weight significantly. This tool only weighs 1.5 ounces. So if you're looking for something for backpacking or just something light for your kit, for your car kit or camping, this is a great little tool. You've got a little flathead screwdriver there, kind of a chisel point on the end right there. And then you've got 3 metric wrenches. You've got a 10 millimeter, an 8 millimeter, and a 6 millimeter. Comes with a carabiner, so you can clip it to your backpack, clip it to your pants, your gear, that sort of thing.
Made for 100 years in rainy Washington State, Rite in the Rain all-weather writing products defy Mother Nature and defend your notes from the elements. Our patented paper is recyclable, water-resistant, and archival grade, so it'll survive moisture, stains, or a lifetime in storage. Rite in the Rain, defying Mother Nature since 1916.
This is the Pivot Knife Sharpener by WorkSharp. Pivot has the convex carbide with pivot response for initial sharpening. The convex carbide up here has the pivot response, so it allows for sharper edge on the carbide, so I can actually sharpen faster if I have a really dull knife. The convex blade shape allows for quick sharpening and a smooth cut. And then you flip it over and use the ceramic rods to hone that edge to a razor finish. It also has a diamond plate on the side for sharpening tools, and it has a groove in there for sharpening fish hooks. This thing's awesome for going where you go and sharpening what you need sharpened.